In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your Digital Joy Engage account and get a lot more engagement responses and access to a number of awesome features you can use on your engagements. To start, on the top right, click on the user profile and enter the billing page. In the top area featuring your plan information, click Upgrade Plan. From here, you can get familiar with all the differences between each of the plans. For example, a big increase in the monthly allocated responses, or the access to additional features such as text message voting. You can click on the upgrade buttons on the Plus and Pro plans in order to add these features to your account, or you can contact us for the Platinum plan if you want us to tailor everything to your needs. Once upgraded, you will see your new monthly allocated responses amount, and you will see that you now have access to new features such as text message voting.